Deep within the heart of Norway lies a realm of towering peaks, shimmering glaciers and verdant valleys. This is Jotunheimen, the home of the giants, a fitting name for a place where nature's grandeur knows no bounds. Here, amidst the rugged beauty of Scandinavia, one can truly experience the raw power and captivating allure of the wild. Jotunheimen is a place of legend and folklore, where tales of trolls and mythical creatures echo through the ages. It is a place where the elements have sculpted the landscape over millennia, carving out dramatic peaks and plunging valleys. The very air seems different here, crisp and clean, carrying with it the scent of pine forests and the distant roar of waterfalls. It is a place that beckons adventurers and nature enthusiasts alike, promising an experience that is both exhilarating and profoundly moving. From seasoned hikers seeking to conquer towering summits to those simply seeking solace in the embrace of nature, Jotunheimen offers something for everyone. Dominating the Jotunheimen skyline are Galdhøpiggen and Glittertind, the two highest peaks in Norway. Galdhøpiggen, standing tall at 2,469 meters, is a majestic giant, its snow-capped peak often shrouded in mist. The ascent to its summit is a challenging but rewarding experience, offering breathtaking panoramic views of the surrounding mountain ranges. Glittertind, at 2,465 meters, is only slightly shorter than Galdhøpiggen, but no less impressive. Its slopes are adorned with the Glittertind glacier, a shimmering expanse of ice that reflects the sunlight like 1,000 tiny diamonds. These two peaks are not just geological marvels, they are symbols of Norway's natural heritage. Their imposing presence serves as a constant reminder of the powerful forces that have shaped this land. For those who dare to venture to their summits, the reward is an experience that is both humbling and awe-inspiring. Jotunheimen is not just a land of towering peaks and glaciers, it is also home to a remarkable array of wildlife. Wild reindeer roam the high plateaus, their hooves clicking against the rocky terrain. These majestic creatures, with their impressive antlers, are a symbol of the Arctic wilderness. Elusive wolverines, with their thick fur and powerful jaws, patrol their territories, while playful pine martens dart through the undergrowth. The keen-eyed observer might also spot golden eagles soaring high above, their sharp eyes scanning the landscape for prey. These animals are a testament to the resilience of nature, having adapted to thrive in this harsh yet beautiful environment. Their presence enriches the tapestry of life that unfolds across Jotunheimen's varied landscapes. Jotunheimen stands as a testament to the power of nature to inspire and rejuvenate the human spirit. The serene beauty of its landscapes, the invigorating mountain air, and the chance encounters with its wild inhabitants create an experience that lingers long after one has left. Yet, this fragile ecosystem faces increasing pressure from human activities. Climate change threatens the glaciers, while increased tourism brings with it the responsibility to protect this pristine environment. It is our duty to ensure that future generations can continue to marvel at the wonders of Jotunheimen. By promoting sustainable tourism and supporting conservation efforts, we can help preserve this natural treasure for generations to come. Let us strive to be responsible stewards of this remarkable place, ensuring that its legacy of beauty and wonder continues to inspire and captivate all who venture into its embrace.